Hello students, in this video we are going to studying about 9th standard computer science chapter 4 topic parts of a database. In previous videos you are studied about what is MS Access 2007. Okay, now we are studying about what are the parts of a MS Access database system. Okay, a database is made up of several components or objects. These objects include tables, queries, forms, reports. So, tables, queries, forms, reports. These are the parts of a database. First one table, second one queries, third one forms, another one report. What is meant by tables? A table is the database object that contains the basic information you wish to store. Table is a database object. Table is a database object that contains the basic information. And you to store. A blue and white icon represent the table in the navigation pane. This is a navigation pane and blue and white icon. This is known as table. Okay. Next. In the customer info table below, there are column or field of information including title another. Each row is a record that contains the information specific of the field listed. Here, the table contains column and field. These are known as columns. First column, second column and third column. This is a row. Okay. So, next one, queries. What is meant by queries? Another database object is called a query. A query allows you to retrieve information from one or more table based on a set of search condition you define using the table field. Another database object is called query. A query allows us to retrieve information from table, one or more table. Okay, retrieve the information from tables. Tables contains information, many of information that is stored in a form of column and a field, but queries retrieve the information from the one or more table based on a set of search conditions. Okay, retrieve information from table based on a condition. So this is known as queries. Okay, next, forms. What is meant by forms? A third database object is the form. Form or as an access tool that user can create to make data entry in database table easier. The form is an access tool, one of the access tool. Next, it creates, make a data entry in database table easier. Table format, but it is used to create a data entry options. Okay. The next one, fourth one is the report. The final database object is the report. A report is an effective way to analyze and present data using a specific layout. It display the data in specific layout. Report display the data in specific layout. Okay. Next, to close, how to close an object. First step, select the tab for the object you wish to close. If you want to close any one object, first only you select that object. Okay, select the tab of the object. Next, right click the tab and select the close from the menu. Next, this is the tab of an object. Next, right click, then select close option. So if now your object should be closed. Okay. Next, another topic, how to creating a new database with access. First step, when you launch Access 2007, you will see the getting started window. This is the Access getting started window. You will see the new blank database option, which allows you to build your own database from scratch. Next, you see the new database window. This is the new database window, getting started window. Then you see the new blank database option. This is the new blank database option. When you choose the new blank database option into the top of the window here, this is the new blank database option. Then you now you are selected this one. You will be promoted to rename the database from the default name, which is database 1 is ACC DB, access DB. So default name is database 1.accessdb. We name the database as ready to ready. So you are rename the database, new blank database option. Here this is the file name. You are typing any one name. Here your file name is ready to read. This is the file name. Okay, next click create to finish naming the database. Next you click create option. Now your database to be created. Next topic, setting up tables. How to set the tables? The new database open with one table showing in a default. Now the new database is open. Default one table is to be created. It also default to naming the table one in both the navigation pane and the table tab itself. Here this is the navigation pane. Here one table is already created. Okay, next naming the table. How to give a name in a table? To give the table a unique name, you must first click on the Microsoft Office button in the upper left corner of the application. First you want to create giving a name. First click the Microsoft Office button. This is the Microsoft Office button. Okay, next then select save from the menu. Then select save menu. Okay, then select save menu. The save as dialog box will appear to let you save the table whatever name you choose. Next the save as dialog box will be displayed on the screen. You give the any one name. Here table 1 is default name. Next you give any one name. Here this is the books table. You give type the books. This is the name of the table. Okay, next click OK button. Your table to be created in your name. Next, how to close a table? How to close a table? There are several ways to close an active table. You can right click on the table tab and choose close from the menu. Several ways to close a table. First one, you can right click on the table. Here right click in your mouse button. You can click in the right click button and you select table in a table tab, then you select close option. Okay, a more common method, another method is to click X that appear in the upper right corner of the active database object window. Let us see here, this is the X button. You click this. Now your table to be closed. Then how to open a table? To open a table, right click the table name of the table you wish to open in the navigation pane. Next choose open from the menu. Here this is the navigation pane. You right clicking this table name of icon, then you select to open option. Now your table to be open on the screen. A more common method is to double click the table name in the navigation pane, then select table will open in the active database object window. Next your navigation pane having you are already created tables. If you want any one table, you double click it, then your table to be open. Okay.